Brave Little Leo, The Jungle Adventure. Hello, little friends. Today, I have a special story for you about a little lion named Leo who lived in the lush Greenleaf Jungle. Leo was a bright and playful lion cub, but he had one big secret. He was afraid of the dark. Every night, as the sun set and the jungle grew dark, Leo would hide in his den, shivering and scared. The sounds of the jungle at night, the hoots of the owls, the rustle of the leaves, and the distant roar of the river made him very nervous. One evening, Leo's friends, Ellie the elephant, Gerry the giraffe, and Zara the zebra, noticed that Leo was missing from their nightly play. Concerned, they went to Leo's den and found him in his pajamas. "Leo, why don't you come out and play with us?" asked Ellie, with a gentle smile. "I'm scared of the dark," Leo confessed in a small voice. "I don't like the strange noises and shadows." "We're here with you, Leo. Let's face the dark together," Gerry said, stretching his long neck encouragingly. Zara, with her bright stripes, added, "We all get scared sometimes, Leo. But we can be brave together." Feeling a bit braver with his friends by his side, Leo slowly stepped out of his den. The jungle was dark, but the stars and the moon lit up the sky, casting a gentle glow on the trees. As they walked, Ellie held Leo's paw, Gerry kept a lookout from above, and Zara sang a cheerful song. Together they explored the jungle, and Leo realized that the noises weren't so scary after all. The hoots were just wise old owls, the rustling leaves were playful monkeys, and the river's roar was singing a jungle lullaby. Suddenly, they heard a small cry for help. It was Benny the bunny, who had lost his way back to his burrow. Leo, feeling braver than ever, said, "Don't worry, Benny, we'll help you." With his friends behind him, Leo led the way, using his sharp eyes to find Benny's home. Benny hopped happily into his burrow, thanking Leo and his friends. One sunny morning, as the jungle awoke to the songs of birds and the gentle rustling of leaves, a new challenge arose. A group of animals from a neighboring jungle arrived in Greenleaf Jungle. They were in distress, their home threatened by a mysterious shadow that loomed at night. Hearing their plight, Leo felt a surge of determination. He remembered his own fear of the dark and how he had overcome it with the help of his friends. "We must help them," Leo declared. His friends nodded in agreement, ready to lend their support. Led by Leo, the group embarked on a journey to the neighboring jungle. As they traveled, Leo shared his story of overcoming fear, encouraging the visiting animals with his words of bravery. Ellie, Gerry, and Zara offered comfort and strength, reminding them that together they could face any challenge. As night fell, they reached the neighboring jungle. The mysterious shadow appeared, larger and more intimidating than they had imagined. The visiting animals trembled, but Leo stood firm, his heart filled with resolve. "We face this together," he roared softly, his voice a beacon of hope in the dark. With cautious steps, they approached the shadow. To their surprise, they discovered it was not a monster, but the shadow of a great tree, twisted in such a way that it cast a frightening shape in the moonlight. The visiting animals sighed in relief, their fear melting away. They realized that the shadow was harmless, and their jungle was safe. After their grand celebration under the stars, Leo and his friends were known throughout Greenleaf Jungle for their bravery and kindness. The once timid little lion had become a symbol of courage, inspiring animals all around. As dawn broke, the two jungle communities celebrated their newfound friendship. Songs of joy and laughter echoed through the trees, and the once feared shadow became a symbol of their unity. Back in Greenleaf Jungle, Leo and his friends were greeted with cheers and admiration for their bravery and kindness. The neighbors thanked them. The animals told Leo that they had also learnt a lesson in facing their fears and the power of friendship. From that day on, Leo was no longer just the little lion who overcame his fear of the dark. He was a leader, a friend, and a hero to all in the jungles. His story of courage continued to inspire, reminding everyone that no matter how big or small, Everyone has the power to overcome their fears and make a difference in the world. And so, in the heart of the lush Greenleaf Jungle, Leo and his friends continued to live, laugh, and embark on new adventures, forever bound by their unbreakable spirit of courage and friendship. The end.